Once you plug in your new mouse into your PC, you should be prompted to install the Razer Synapse software. I'm going to go ahead and install everything that is checked for now, but what the software does is allow you to customize your Razer products and increase their functionality. You will have to log in with the Razer ID or create one in order to use the program to its fullest. Now there is a crazy amount of different features in this software, so it is a good idea to familiarize yourself with it by messing around. I'll walk you through some basics that you should know. The grid you see here is the different lighting positions on the mouse. These are all individually lit up, which leads to a super cool looking effect. You are able to customize how the lights move through the different effects Razer has available, and this image here sums up what these effects do. If you want more details on how these effects work, then you can take a look at Razer's website, which will be linked in the description below. The lighting functionality is one of the many factors that makes Razer stand out to gamers, and if you are an RGB fanatic, then this definitely is the right mouse for you. Razer has this really cool feature where if the game you are playing is listed below, it will change the lights on your devices to match what is going on in the game. This is a really neat feature if you want to get the most immersive lighting experience. You can connect the software to your other devices and even your light bulbs to really set the mood while you are gaming. Over here you can customize what the different buttons on your mouse do. You can save your button assignment in a profile, and thanks to the large amount of onboard memory, you are able to store up to 4 profiles with different button assignments on this one mouse. Another important feature is the ability to configure your mouse based on your mousepad. If you do not have a Razer mousepad, you can still calibrate it to get the best performance. Changing your mouse sensitivity is also very easy with the 2 buttons you have on the top of your mouse. For more details, visit razer.com/synapse. I'd give this mouse a 10 out of 10 because I believe Razer nailed it with the aesthetics and functionality of this product. It's lightweight and uses really nice mechanical switches that make the feel of this mouse even better.